Assalamu alaikum. How are you, Baje?
Walaikum salam, sir. I'm fine. Alhamdulillah. How about you?
I'm fine, dear. Thank you so much for asking. Okay, so in the today's class, we'll be starting the quadratic equations because the quadratic is very similar to the polynomials. So that's why I've taken this chapter as the successive chapter of the revision. Okay, so I hope that I've already basically informed you about this chapter. How many of you have revised the quadratic before coming to the class?
I did, sir.
Okay, very good, Hiba. What about Jasleen and Kiran? Hello, Karishma. How are you?
Hi, sir. I'm good. What about you?
I'm fine, dear. I'm absolutely good. What about you? How's your preparation going on?
Sir, it's fine.
It's fine,
सर
चलो.
जो आज लाइक टेस्ट हुआ था ना
हम्म.
उसमें आई थिंक डिलीटेड पोर्शन भी था
किस चीज का टेस्ट हुआ था आपका?
सर सीरीज चल रही है ना तो
हाँ हाँ. नहीं,
सरफेस और
फिजिक्स सरफेस एरिया एंड.
सर्कल और एरिया रिलेटेड सर्कल
अच्छा. आई डोंट नो डियर बिकॉज मैंने क्वेश्चन पेपर देखा नहीं क्योंकि I've never like I've not given those questions, so I don't have any idea about it. I will look into it. No worries. I will inform them if they have
हाँ
mistakenly.
मैंने इनको इन्फॉर्म कर दिया तो ये बोल रहे
Very
थे
good.
कि
Very good. So mistakenly होगी होगी by mistake.
सर 3 से ज्यादा क्वेश्चन डिलीटेड पोर्शन के थे
अच्छा.
हाँ जी सर लाइक जो एरिया रिलेटेड टू सर्कल था ना हमने इसमें से एक भी क्वेश्चन सॉल्व नहीं किया था ऐसे वाला एक शेडेड रीजन बताओ वगैरह वगैरह
अच्छा अच्छा. चलो ठीक है, कोई नहीं. I will look into it. Okay. So let's start the class without any delay. Just allow me a moment. So I was looking some more questions based on the. Okay, let me open the PYQs first. Okay, I'm giving you one. So basically, चलो ठीक है, थोड़ा सा जो है ना theory part कर लेते हैं. Theory is very similar to the polynomials. So basically, a polynomial, if we equate a polynomial expression to zero, it will become equation. Clear?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So standard form, you can say standard form of quadratic equation is of quadratic equation ax square bx plus of c is equals to 0 because equation should have the degree of 2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the quadratic equation, basically what we have done in the polynomial is that we call the basically those specific values as zeros of the polynomial, but in the equation we say those values as basically roots of the equation. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So how many
Yes.
roots will be there? So two roots will be there of this equation, because I've told you that degree of the equation will give you the number of roots. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Will be there. ठीक है? So same होते हैं अल्फा प्लस बीटा, सेम रिलेशनशिप होता है, अल्फा प्लस बीटा इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस बी अपॉन ए, and alpha into beta is equals to c by a. This relationship is valid in both polynomials and quadratic equation. Clear everybody? Hiba, Jasleen, Karishma and Kiran?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So basically आपके syllabus में two methods are there to solve a quadratic equation. First is factorization. Second is quadratic formula. ठीक है? So quadratic formula is there to solve the equation. So one method was there, which was completing square method, which was the toughest in my point of view, but it's now related from the CBSC. So factorization, just a middle term split is nothing but middle term split. Okay. Next is quadratic formula is x bar is equals to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is the formula. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Let's talk about the nature of roots. Nature of roots is basically gives you the idea what kind of roots will be present of an equation, whether they are equal and real, whether they are real and distinct or not real. So basically three conditions are there. So it depends on the discriminant. So discriminant is a parameter which defines the nature of roots. Discriminant. So it's not that it is just a second. It's ये वाला discriminant नहीं है जो भेदभाव होता है. So ये quadratic फॉर्म इक्वेशन के लिए भेदभाव है. ठीक है कि कौन से टाइप की quadratic इक्वेशन है. डिस्क्रिमिनेंट. सो डी कैपिटल डी से डिनोट होता है और इसका फॉर्मूला होता है दैट इज बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac. ठीक है. अब इसके केसेस देखो आप. D is greater than 0. If D is greater than 0, roots are equal and roots are distinct and real and distinct. ठीक है. D is equals to 0, roots are real and equal. जो वैल्यू होगी अल्फा बीटा की दैट वुड बी इक्वल. रियल का मतलब है कि दोज रूट्स विल बी रैशनल. ठीक है. सो इफ D is less than 0, नो रियल रूट्स विल बी देयर. अगर रूट्स रियल ही नहीं होंगे तो हम लोग इसके आगे प्रोग्रेस नहीं करेंगे. ठीक है. अभी ये 11th क्लास में आपका ये टॉपिक आएगा एक्सप्लेन ओके एकदम यू कैन से काफी उसमें डिटेल मैनर में कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर के नेम से. और ये इवन इंजीनियरिंग तक में रहता है. ये एक केस इज प्रेजेंट टिल द इंजीनियरिंग. आई हैव ऑलरेडी मैंने भी ये पढ़ा था. सो इन माय ग्रेजुएशन. यस और नो एवरीबडी क्लियर. ये वाला केस अभी आपके लिए सिर्फ एक नॉर्मल केस है. इसमें आप प्रोसीड नहीं करेंगे बट व्हेन यू विल गो इन द हायर स्टैंडर्ड्स यू विल प्रोसीड टू दिस केस. ठीक है. सो लेट्स
Yes,
ये
sir.
आपकी दिस इज ऑल अबाउट दिस थ्योरी ऑफ दिस चैप्टर बिकॉज बेसिकली पॉलिनॉमियल से रिलेटेड है. सो ओनली द थिंग विच इज न्यू इज दिस द क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला एंड द नेचर ऑफ रूट्स. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट नथिंग इज न्यू. Okay, so let's do some questions. Let me give you one question. Do this question. Any answer from the for the first question? Hiba, Karishma, Kiran, and Jasleen.
Yes sir.
Answer.
हो गया फर्स्ट वाला सर.
Okay, very good. Hello, Samina. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, dear?
I'm fine, sir. What about you?
I am fine, dear. Why are you late, dear? You are half an hour late almost.
Yes, sir, I'm sorry. I was a bit sick, so that's why I
Oh,
slept, sir.
okay. No worries, dear. No worries, dear. So I've just started the class, okay? So don't worry about it. So I've given some basics question of the quadratic equations basically, okay? Do this question. So
Okay,
first one will be solved like this. Okay, very good. 2x square plus 6 root 3x minus of 60 is equals to 0. You can see this thing 2 is common in both in all the terms. So you take 2 as common and basically यहाँ पे just throw it on the right hand side. So we just say that कि हमें 2 is not required in the equation. So ठीक है, you can see this thing. You have to basically split this 3 root 3 in such a manner you should get the 30. Basically 30 into 1 is 30, na? Yes or no? So instead of that, you can see this thing making pair of the, you can say basically splitting it into different terms. You can use the quadratic formula to ease your calculations. So if you have done this factorization, no worries, that's also correct, but you can also use this as the quadratic formula. So basically what is A here? A is the coefficient of x square, that is 1. B is the coefficient of root x, oh sorry, x, that is root 3, and C is equals to minus of 30. Okay. Use the quadratic formula, that is minus of b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So minus of b minus of 3 root 3 plus minus under root of b square is b square. Squaring this 3 root 3 is nothing but 27 minus 4 into 1 into minus of 30. Okay, divided by 2. So minus 3 root 3 plus minus under root of 27 plus of this is 4 3 the 120. Okay, so it is minus 3 root 3 and it is 27 147 by 2. You can see this thing. So two roots you will get. First one will be plus sign minus 3 root 3 plus of under root of 147 divided by 2. देखो इसमें से 7 कॉमन निकल सकता है क्या? 7 2, अच्छा हाँ निकल तो सकता है यार इसमें, और थोड़ा सा और वो हो सकता है simplification. So it is 7 to 1. So ये हो सकता है 7 into 7 into 3, 49, 7, 12, 40. हाँ क्लियर है. So 7 into 7. So it can be written as x bar is equals to 3 root 3 plus minus under root of 7 square into root 3. तो 7 square तो आपका बाहर आ जाएगा. So minus 3 root 3 plus minus 7 root 3 by 2. ठीक है. अब ये यहाँ से मैं अल्फा लिख देता हूँ डायरेक्टली. दैट इज माइनस 3 रूट 3 प्लस ऑफ 7 रूट 3 बाय 2. बीटा हो गया आपका नेगेटिव साइन बिकॉज टू रूट्स आर देना प्लस माइनस. सो इट इज माइनस 3 रूट 3 नेगेटिव ऑफ 7 रूट 3 बाय 2. Clear? This is your answer. Is this clear to you, everybody?
Yes.
Because splitting this middle term is very difficult. So that's why I've used this quadratic formula. किस किसने quadratic formula से किया है?
Yes, sir, I did with formula.
Yes, sir.
Okay, because nothing is mentioned na ki solve for x, only solve for x is written. It doesn't matter from which method we apply. Okay, we find out the roots. Clear? So now this question, giving you 2 minutes again, not more than that, solve this question. It should be solved by the factorization specifically mentioned. I'm finding out some numerical based on the word problems. Just till then solve this. Okay. Any answer?
1 minute, sir.
Okay. These questions are from basically RD Sharma, the above two, and the rest, this third one is from the PYQ. Any answer from the for the this for this question? Karishma, Kiran, Samina, Hiba, any answer? अच्छा देखो, let's solve it together because almost I've given 4 minutes. Okay, so let's solve it. देखो, just you have to take first LCM to simplify this thing. Okay, if you take the LCM, it is x plus 3 into x minus 3. So basically this is the LCM. So in the upper part, in the numerator, it will become x minus 3 whole cube, so a whole square minus of x plus 3 whole square is equals to 48 by 7. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So expand this formula, x square plus 9 minus 6x minus of x square minus of 9 plus of minus of 6x by x cube minus x square minus 9, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square is equals to 48 by 7. Okay, see this thing, x square is getting cancelled, 9 is getting cancelled. Only what is left is minus of 12x divided by x square minus 9. Just cross multiply them to simplify the equation. So minus 84x is equals to 48x square minus of, so what is left, रुक जाओ just a second, you can also directly यहाँ से आप इसको सब डिवाइड दे सकते हो ना 4 times. ठीक है, 4 12 4 से 48. So what is left would be minus of 7x is equals to 4x square minus of 36. Take the one hand on the basically form an equation, 4x square plus of 7x minus of 36 is equals to 0. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you can use either quadratic formula or the middle term split, because you can see this thing, middle term split will be more cumbersome because 36 into 4 will be there, and you have to basically, you can say, you have to basically solve this 7. Okay, so that's why it's much easier to apply the quadrant. No, factorization is written na, so we have to use factorization karna hoga. So 36 into 4 will be 4 6 is 24, 2 will be there, and 4 to the 144. So कोई नहीं, so 12 5 is 144 लिखना है ना, so 144, चलो ठीक है, 2 72 36 18 9 3. अब देखो आप यहाँ पे आपके आगे 4 ही आ गए और 3 ही आ गए, तो यू हैव टू मेक पेयर इन सच अ मैनर दैट यू गेट बाय एडिंग 7 और सब्ट्रैक्टिंग 7 और मल्टीप्लाई करने पे आपके 144 आना चाहिए। तो ये आपका है 9 2 18, 18 9 9 3 से 90 18 एंड 6 प्लस 6। नहीं ठीक नहीं है। सो 18 टू द, ये आप ऐसे कर सकते हैं, 2 टू द 4 16 और 9। हाँ 16 और 9 का पेयर मिल गया आपको। देखो 16 और 9 को, 16 में से 9 सब्ट्रैक्ट करो, 7 मिलेगा आपको। मल्टीप्लाई 16 इंटू 9, 9 6 54, 5 9 1 5 144। ठीक है, तो यानी कि आपको 16x और 9x लेना होगा टू गेट, स्प्लिट करना होगा 7 को एज 4x² प्लस ऑफ 16x माइनस ऑफ 9x माइनस ऑफ 36। हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू गॉट माई पॉइंट? प्लीज लेट मी नो।
यस सर।
ये वाला प्रोसेस किस किस को समझ में आया? यू हैव टू टेक द एलसीएम ऑफ 144। बेसिकली आपको स्प्लिट करना है एलसीएम बेसिकली इसको, और आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू मेक, यहाँ पे हिट एंड ट्रायल मेथड यूज होता है। यू हैव टू बेसिकली यहाँ पे फॉर्म क्रिएट करने होते हैं पेयर्स को, एंड देन यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई कि विच पेयर इज सेटिस्फाइंग द इक्वेशन। क्लियर?
यस सर।
क्लियर? सो नाउ देखो, अब यहाँ से 4x कॉमन आ जाएगा, 4x विल बी कॉमन, सो व्हाट इज लेफ्ट इनसाइड इज x प्लस ऑफ 4, एंड 4 यहाँ से भी आप माइनस ऑफ 4, इफ यू माइनस ऑफ x, जो सॉरी माइनस ऑफ 9 कॉमन लोगे आप, तो x प्लस 4 विल बी लेफ्ट, इट इज इक्वल्स टू 0। सो 4x माइनस 9 इंटू x प्लस 4 इज इक्वल्स टू 0। सो x विल बी इक्वल्स टू 9/4 और x will be equals to minus of 4. This is your answer. Clear है? किस किस का आंसर आया है? Please let me know.
यस सर।
ठीक है, and it's saying that it should not be equals to 3 or -3. So हमारा आंसर करेक्ट है। ठीक है, so do this question. चलो इसको साथ में ही करते हैं, because we have to do some more questions. So ठीक है, टाइम इतना नहीं है। Find the whole number which when decreased by 20 is equal to the 69 times the reciprocal of the number. Think a little bit. So हम पहले assume कर लेंगे, let x be the number. ठीक है, let x be the number, and if you subtract by 20, if you decrease it by 20, it will be equals to 69 times. So x minus 20 will be equals to the 69 times of the reciprocal of this number. So 1 by x, yes or no? Everybody please let me know.
यस सर।
ठीक है, so what you will do is that just here x will get multiplied on the left hand side, so it would be x square minus of 20x minus of 69 is equals to 0. Clear? Yes or no?
यस सर।
यस।
Okay. Yeah. So you have to basically देखो 69 को आप कैसे split कर सकते हैं? So 3 2 3 and 23. 23 ही आएगा यहाँ पे। Just a second. 23 को और तरीके से split नहीं, 23 तो 23 से डिवाइड जाएगा ना बस। So -3 हाँ, तो आ तो गया ना। So x square minus of 23x प्लस ऑफ 3x माइनस 69 इज इक्वल्स टू 0। देखो 23 में से 3 सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे तो 20 आ जाएगा ना। तो आप व्हाट यू विल, आपको नेगेटिव ऑफ 20 चाहिए, तो यू विल टेक द 23x एज द नेगेटिव। ओके, टेक,
यस
make
सर।
pair of these two, make pair of these two. X will be common, x minus 20 to 23, and -3 will be yeah, not -3, +3 will be taken out common, x minus 23, because in this factor -23 is there. So it would be x of x plus 3 and x minus 23 is equals to 0. So see this thing. So x will be equals to either -3 or x is equals to 23. So which one is correct? Which one is basically invalid, and which one is correct? It's saying whole number. Can whole number be negative? So this one will be discarded. So number is 23. Yes or no?
यस सर।
Clear?
यस।
Clear है?
Yes.
ठीक है, सो ये क्वेश्चन आप करो, ये क्वेश्चन try to do this question that two types are basically filling basically can fill a tank in 1 into 7 by 8 hours. The tap with longer diameter takes 2 hours less than the tap with smaller one to fill. Find the time in which each tap can fill the tank separately. ये PYQ question है, Delhi 2019. You can see this thing clear. So it means that it high possibility is there because it's a very recent question, not a very old question like 2007 or 8. Okay, so chances are there. Solve this one or at least try. I just wanted you should try at least first.
Well, sir.
Done. Very good. What about rest of you? Karishma, Samina, Kiran, and Jasleen.
यस थोड़ा सा रह गया है कहीं पे गलती हुई है मेरी इक्वेशन तो बन गई है लेकिन जब इसको स्प्लिट करे तो गलती हो रही है
ओके, चलो कोई बात नहीं, कोई मसला नहीं है. Let's do it together. So question is saying that, just a second, where is my pen? Yeah, here it is. So question is saying that two taps are there which can fill a tank together in, basically this is a mixed fraction. So first of all, let's assume that, so the tap with longer diameter takes less than 2 hours. So हम smaller diameter वाली tank को let's assume that let x hours be taken by smaller tap to fill the tank. ठीक है, because x minus 20, because x minus 2 will be less. भाई अगर किसी भी चीज में से 2 सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे दैट वुड बी लेस ना. सो दैट्स व्हाई हम लोग इसको ये बिगर डायमीटर वाले टाइम को ले लेंगे, फिल द टैंक. ठीक है, एंड सो बेसिकली अगर ये x आवर में कंप्लीट कर रहा है, सो इन 1 आवर how much tank will be filled?
1 by x plus
1 by
One.
x
1
Very
by
good.
x minus 2 is equal to 8 by
Smaller
50.
tank will fill in 1 hour, that is equals to 1 by x. ठीक है, and bigger tap, smaller tap, basically not tank, that would be tap bigger.
so 1 by x minus 2
Very good. In 1 hour, that is equals to 1 by x minus 2, and एक साथ ये कितना टाइम ले रहे हैं, that is taking these mixed fraction time. ठीक है, 1 7 by 8. ठीक है, so that is total time, you can say total time लिख देते हैं. Total time that is taking is 1 plus 7 by 8, that would be equals to 15 by 8. ठीक है, so if you are saying, so the equation will be formed, will be 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 2 will be equals to 15 by 8. Okay, everybody, yes or no? Is this clear to you or not? This is the equation that will be formed. Clear?
yes sir
ठीक है, so let's solve this. Take the LCM, x into
Sir, wouldn't
x
it
minus
be
2.
8 by 15?
Yes, Hiba, you are saying something? अच्छा,
Wouldn't it
हाँ
be
हाँ
8
यार,
by
यस
15?
यस, it would be in 1 hour का टाइम ले रहे हैं ना हम. सॉरी, total time is 15 by 8, so in 1 hour it would be 8 by 15. It would be 8 by 15. Yeah, sorry for that. ठीक है, it would be 8 by 15. So total time is 15 by 8. So if we are taking in 1 hour, so how much, so इनका जो ऐड करने का जो टाइम होगा, it would be 8 by 15. Yes or no? ये समझ में आया everybody? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
yes
ठीक है,
sir
plus of x minus 2, that is equals to 8 by 15. Just cross multiply them, so it is basically 2x minus 2 into 15 is equals to 8x into x minus 2. So it would be 30x minus of 30 is equals to 8 of x square minus of 16x. ठीक है, so taking all the variables and constant on one side, 8x square minus 16x minus 30x minus of 30 is equals to 0. Yes or no?
yes sir
So it would be minus 46. 8x square minus of 46x minus of 30. So 2 can be taken common out. So 4x square minus 23 3x minus of 15 is equals to 0, yes or no? Okay, so either you can use the quadratic formula or the middle term split. So I'm using middle term split. So that is 60 will be the number. 15 into 4 is 60. So multiplying 30, 15, 5 and 5. So I have to make this in such a manner that it should be, I should get the middle term. So it is 5 3 is 15 and 4. It's 5, 15 and 4. No, this is not. Okay. So 15 to the 30 minus, no. This is 6, 4, 3, 12 and 5, 70th. Did I make any mistake? तो नहीं की मैंने कुछ यहाँ पे? Mistake तो कुछ नहीं हुई. 60, 30, 15, 15 and 5, 1. So 5 2 is 10. हाँ, ये ऐसे कर सकते हैं ना. देखो इसको ले लेते हैं. 5 4 is 20 और 3. ठीक है. 4x स्क्वायर minus 20x और minus 3x और minus 50. Everybody got it or not? देखो मैंने क्या किया. 2 और 5, 2 into 2 into 5. It's 20 and 3. So by adding them, I will get 23. Yes or no?
Yes.
ठीक है. So so it would be just a minute. So when you take the common 4x, so it would be x minus of 5 and x minus of x minus 5. So it is just a second, sorry यार, it would be plus. जब भी तो मैं कह रहा हूँ कि positive क्यों नहीं आ रहा है. यहाँ पे -3 लेंगे आप common, okay? So -3 and plus 15 is equals to 0. So 4x minus 3 into x minus of 5 is equals to 0. Okay. X can be equals to 5 or x can be equals to 3 by 4. Now tell me which one is correct.
5. 5.
So why not 3 by 4? Why 3 by 4 is not correct? Because देखो x minus 2 करोगे तो आप it would be negative ना. You will write x minus 2 will be negative. 0.5 minus 0.75 minus 2 will be negative na.
Yes, sir.
So x minus 2 is, so smaller tab को कितना टाइम लगता है? 5 hours. x को assume किया था ना. And bigger tab will take 3 hours. Yes or no, everybody, please let me know. अब देखो एक क्वेश्चन और है इसी, बट इट इज बेस्ड ऑन द स्पीड बेसिकली. Try this question. 2 minutes I'm giving you. Okay, then we'll do it together. Jasleen, Samina, Kiran, and Hiba and Karishma. Got it, everybody? The previous one?
Yes, sir.
Any
Yes,
doubt?
sir.
Thumbs up in the chat if you got the point. किसी का रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आया. इट मीन्स दैट किसी को समझ नहीं आया.
सर बोला तो था आगे समझ.
ठीक है, चलो ये क्वेश्चन करो. अभी रिसेंट का ही क्वेश्चन है. दैट इज 2019 ऑल इंडिया बोर्ड्स. ओके समीना जी. ओके, 2019 ऑल इंडिया बोर्ड्स का क्वेश्चन है. सो डू दिस वन. Done?
1 minute.
Okay. Okay, it's almost time, yeah. We
Done,
have
sir.
to do. Done? Okay, that's great. Okay, so basically the question is saying that a train travels 360 kilometer at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 kilometer more, it would have taken 1 hour less than the same journey. Find the speed of the train. Okay. So train is basically moving at a speed of, basically we have to find the speed. Okay. So it's, suppose let x kilometer per hour speed of train. Clear? And the distance covered is 360 kilometer. ठीक है, 360 kilometer. Speed, if we increase the speed, so let's take the, let's find out the time taken is equals to 360 by x. Let me write it as speed distance upon speed is equals to 360 by x. It is equals to basically t1 time है. ठीक है, if you increase the speed by 5 kilometer per hour, so it will take this it will take 1 hour less than the previous journey. So time taken for speed x plus 5 kilometer, ठीक है, is equals to, it would be 360 by x plus 5. So if you take the difference of these two time, it will be nothing but it will be 1 hour less than, okay, because अगर देखो ये 5 hours ले रहा है and it is taking 6 hours. So if you subtract 6 minus 5, what you will get? You will get 1 ना. जो डिफरेंस है इनकी जर्नी का इस स्पीड पे, जो when it is traveling at this speed and when it is traveling at x kilometer per hour, so the difference between those time is 1 hour. So equation would be 360 by x minus of 360 by x plus 5 is equals to 1. ठीक है. So if you take 360 common from the numerator, So what is left is, if you take the LCM into x plus 5, so it would be x plus 5 minus of x, everybody yes or no, is equals to 1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just cancel this thing. So it would be 360 into 5 is equals to x square plus of 5x. Okay. So x square plus of 5x minus, so it would be कितना हो रहा है ये 1800 is equals to 0. ठीक है. So you can split this in this manner. X plus में 45x minus 40x minus of 1800 is equals to 0. So it x common out, x plus 45 and x plus 45 will be there. So you have to take minus 40 common from this side. So it is equals to this minus 40x, and minus into minus will be plus, that is equals to 1800. So x plus 45 will be common from both the terms, and x minus 40 will be equals to 0. So now tell me which one is correct. X minus 40, x is equals to minus of 45, or x is equals to 40. Which one is kilometer per hour?
40.
40.
Because speed cannot be negative. Clear? So this one is correct. Got it, everybody? Please let me know.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt so far?
No, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
No.
so everybody, please, so that's all for this class. Okay. So in the next class, we'll be doing the AP chapter. I hope this is clear to everybody. Please let me know.
Yes, sir.
So basically देखो, nature of roots वाले question directly straightforward होते हैं. So you have to calculate the just value of d. If value of d is greater than 0, it is real and distinct. If it is equal, it is real and equal. And if it is not, it is less than 0, so it is no real root. So उसपे ज़्यादा इतना ज़्यादा straight, basically all the questions are straightforward. But जो middle ये जो numericals होते हैं, basically word problems are much more complicated. So that's why I've covered these PYQs and the RD Sharma in this class. Okay, so now our revision of quadratic equation is done. So in the next class, we will be doing, let me check which chapter we will be doing. Just a second. Just a moment. Allow me a moment just.